Sum of coefficients of all even degree terms of x in this expansion. This is in the form of a plus b whole power 6 plus a minus b whole power 6. Right. Let us look at this expansion and see some terms get cancelled. Of the remaining terms, let us try to find out what are the even terms of x. What is a plus b whole power 6? It looks something like a power 6, that is NC0 a power 6, plus NC1 a power 5 b plus NC2 a power 4 b square plus NC3 a cube b cube likewise. Right. What is a minus b whole power 6? A minus b whole power 6 is again a power 6 minus NC1 a power 5 b. Right. Because it is minus b whole power 1, so it should become minus 1. Again plus NC2 a power 4 b square, because it is minus b whole square, which is again equal to plus square. So when it is NC1, NC3, NC5, etc., we'll get minus because it is b to the power some odd number. Right. Similarly, minus NC3 a cube b cube. Right. Because minus b whole cube here. So that's why minus will come outside. So any odd power of minus b will get a negative number. We'll get the coefficient as negative. Now when we add these two, obviously this and this will get cancelled. This and this will get cancelled. So we'll be left with NC0 a power 6 2 times of NC0 a power 6 plus NC2. N is again, N is 6, right? We'll be left with 6C0 a power 6, 6C2 a power 4 b square plus 6C4 a square b power 4 plus 6C6 a power 0 b power 6. Right. Only these terms will be left. Right. Now what is a here? A is x here. And what is b? B is square root of x cube minus 1. Let us try to substitute both of this and try to simplify this. So we'll be left with 6C0 a power 6 and 6C2 a power 4 and b square. What is b? Square root of x cube minus 1. So square of this will be x cube minus 1. Right, 62 into x cube minus 1. So 62 x power 4 into x cube minus 1. Basically, this is a power 4 b square. Next, a square b power 4. That is nothing but x square, and the b power 4 is x cube minus 1 whole square. Right, because there is square root, so that's why this will become whole square. Similarly, a power 0 b power 6. A power 0 we can ignore, b power 6. That means x cube minus 1 whole cube. Right, we'll be left with only this expression. Right, now here we have to find out all even degree terms in x. Where are we getting even degree terms? This is definitely even degree. Right, 160 we are getting 60. Now here x power 4 into x power 7, this is odd number, but x power 4 into minus 1, this is even degree of x. So minus 6c2, right? And here if we do this expansion, this becomes x power 6 plus 1 minus 2x cube into x square, 6c4 into x square into this one. So this and this multiplied is even degree, that means 6c4. This and this multiplied is also even degree, so plus 6c4, and this we can ignore, right? So basically we are getting two 64s here. Now here 66 into x cube minus 1 whole cube. This is a minus b whole cube, right? This is nothing but a cube, which is x power 9 minus 3a square b, that is 3x power 6 plus 3ab square plus 3x cube minus b cube minus 1. Now in this thing, this minus 3 and this minus 1, these are even powers of x. Minus 1 means x power 0, right? So we are getting minus 3 and minus 1, right? So 60 is nothing but 1, right? And 6c2 and 6c4, nothing but 62 is equal to 64. So these two will get cancelled, right? NCR is equal to NCN minus R. So we'll be left with 1 plus 6c4 minus 3 minus 1. This 1 and this 1 also will get cancelled. So 6c4. So this is all 2 times of this. Right. We'll be left with 2 times of this. That is 2 outside, right? 2 and all of this. So what is 6c4? 6 into 5. 64 is nothing but 6 into 2. So 2 into 1. So this is 15 minus 3, twice of this. Right, 64 is nothing but 62. 62 is 15. So 15 minus 3 is 12. 12 into 2, 24. So that is our final answer. So the sum of coefficients of all even powers of x is actually equal to 24. Right. So we had observed that this is in the form of a plus b whole power 6 and a minus b whole power 6. And we have cancelled all the terms where they are getting cancelled. We'll be left with only these terms of a power 6, a power 4b squared, a square b power 4, and b power 6. Basically, this is the coefficient is 1. This is 6c2, 6c4, and 6c6. Then we tried to expand this and collected all the even powers of x. Right, guys? Simple problem. Hope you like this. Thank you.